American workers oversee the sourcing of high-quality animal bones from certified and ethical suppliers, ensuring the raw materials meet strict standards.
Persons. Upon arrival, American workers in clean uniforms carefully inspect the animal bones for quality. Check.
American women workers verify that all animal bones are sourced following ethical and sustainable practices, respecting animal welfare.
American women workers verify that all animal bones are sourced following ethical and sustainable practices, respecting animal welfare.
Samples of animal bones are taken by lab technicians to test for purity, safety, and compliance with regulatory standards.
Animal bones are stored in temperature and humidity-controlled facilities, with American women workers monitoring conditions to preserve quality. American women workers maintain communication with suppliers to ensure consistent quality and timely delivery of animal bones.
Regular training sessions are conducted for American women workers on proper handling of animal bones and ethical sourcing standards.
Throughout the sourcing process, East Asian male workers in clean uniforms follow strict hygiene protocols when handling cow bones.
American women workers in clean uniforms oversee the arrival of large shipments of animal bones, ensuring the crates are handled carefully to prevent damage.
Once approved, the animal bones are carefully prepared by American women workers for transfer to the processing phase.
There's an irregularity on this one. All right, discard it.
The integrity score is lower than expected on this section.
All right, let's proceed with caution for the extraction process.
Samples of the chicken bones are collected by Caucasian male lab technicians for microbiological and chemical testing to ensure safety and purity.
All inspection and testing results are meticulously recorded by American women workers to maintain traceability and regulatory compliance.
Approved animal bones are stored in sanitized, climate-controlled storage areas, with Caucasian male workers monitoring conditions to preserve quality.
Once inspected and approved, American women workers prepare the bones for transfer to the next phase, ensuring safe and hygienic handling. Throughout the receiving and inspection phase, African American workers in clean uniforms adhere to strict
Focus on the joints there, Anthony. Got it, Supervisor. The rinse is almost complete.
Specialized scrubbing machines, operated by American women workers, thoroughly clean the bones, removing any remaining tissue and impurities. Bones are treated with FDA-approved sterilizing agents in controlled tanks, with workers monitoring the process to eliminate bacteria and pathogens.
The sterilization process includes several wash cycles with purified water to remove any residual chemicals.
Cleaned bones are dried using industrial drying equipment, with African American male workers ensuring optimal moisture levels to prevent microbial growth.
All cleaning and sterilization equipment are regularly sanitized and maintained by American workers to prevent contamination.
Sterilized bones are stored in sanitized, climate-controlled areas, with Caucasian male workers monitoring conditions to maintain quality.
Every step of the cleaning and sterilization process is meticulously documented by American women workers to ensure full traceability and regulatory compliance.
The crushers break down the bones into smaller, uniform fragments, increasing surface area for efficient extraction of medicinal compounds.
Crushing and grinding equipment are regularly cleaned and maintained by American women workers to ensure optimal performance and hygiene.
The bone powder is carefully collected and stored in sanitized, climate-controlled containers, with an African American male.
Following crushing, the bone fragments are ground into a fine powder using specialized grinders. with American women workers overseeing the process.
Sterilized bones are loaded into industrial crushers by American women workers, who monitor the process to ensure safety and precision. Once processed, the fine bone powder is prepared by American women workers for transfer to the chemical extraction phase.
Americans in clean uniforms carefully transfer the finely ground bone powder to large chemical extraction tanks.
Throughout extraction, Caucasian male workers in clean uniforms continuously monitor temperature and pH to optimize yield and maintain safety. Mechanical agitators keep the bone powder suspended in the solution, ensuring even extraction, supervised by American women workers. Women workers in clean uniforms carefully transfer the bone-derived extracts to advanced filtration units, ensuring hygienic handling throughout the process.
The bone-derived extracts pass through multi-stage filtration membranes, separating unwanted particles and ensuring purity.
American women workers continuously monitor flow rates, pressure, and filtrate quality to optimize purification.
Following filtration, the extracts undergo crystallization to further purify the active compounds derived from bones.
The purified bone extracts are concentrated to the desired potency under controlled conditions.
American women workers store the purified and concentrated bone-derived extracts in sterile, climate-controlled tanks.
American women workers in clean uniforms thoroughly sanitize the formulation area and equipment, ensuring a sterile environment for blending bone.
Wait for the third beep. There.
Reading confirmed at 10.2 milligrams.
AlphaGen. The bone-derived extracts are carefully combined with stabilizers, binders, and other ingredients in large mixing vats.
Automated mixers blend the formulation at controlled speeds, ensuring uniform distribution of bone-derived compounds throughout the medicine.
The data suggests increasing the compound by 5% for stability.
Agreed. I'm adding the optimized ratio now.
Perfect. The viscosity looks much better.
Once the formulation meets quality standards, American women workers prepare it for transfer to the filling and packaging lines.
Before production, all filling machines and packaging equipment are thoroughly sanitized by American workers to maintain a sterile environment. Every step of the medicine formulation involving bone-derived extracts is meticulously documented for traceability and regulatory compliance.
No signs of residue on the condyles. It's completely clear.
Excellent. Mark the femur as approved. Moving on to the cranial sutures now.
Filled containers are sealed and labeled with batch numbers, expiration dates, and regulatory information by Caucasian female workers in clean uniforms.
All packaging activities are meticulously documented by American workers to ensure traceability and inventory control.
The bone-enriched medicine formulation is dispensed into each container with precision, ensuring consistent dosage and quality.
Empty containers are loaded into automated filling machines by American women workers dressed in clean uniforms.
Quality control teams of Caucasian men and women inspect sealed containers for fill accuracy, seal integrity, and label correctness.
The packaged bone-based medicine is prepared for shipment, with South Asian workers, including both men and women.
The packaged medicine is carefully packed into sturdy, recyclable boxes by American women workers, ready for shipment.
The bone-enriched medicine is delivered to pharmacies, hospitals, and healthcare providers across the country, making it accessible to patients.
Check the manifest against the shipment here, please.
All units accounted for. Scan complete. The packaged bone-based medicine is carefully loaded into temperature-controlled trucks by American women workers, ensuring safe transport.
Orders from pharmacies and hospitals are promptly processed by South Asian female warehouse staff, preparing shipments of bone-derived medicine for delivery.
If we reroute the Midwest shipments through the new hub, we save nearly 12% on fuel.
That optimizes the entire Western seaboard. Confirmed.
Using advanced tracking systems, American staff monitor shipments of bone-derived medicine in real time to ensure timely delivery.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing behind-the-scenes videos. See you next time.